am gonna prove the left side gives me the right side. To prove it, I have to apply this prime inside the parentheses. We know when I apply prime, if I have union sign will become intersect sign, and if I have intersect sign and I apply prime, it would be the union sign. So here I have union sign. Let's apply this prime step by step inside this parenthesis. So um, the prime for the first term, a prime, prime. As I said, when I apply this prime, union will be convert to intersect sign, and then go for the second term, b prime, prime. Now I apply the complement law that says a prime prime gives me a, and b prime prime, again with this law, same law, gives me b, and the sign between them is intersect sign. So I could prove a prime union b prime, all inside the parentheses, prime gives me a intersect b. So I prove it that the left side equals right side.